I'm going to be showing you how to get your Ryobi 1¼ inch corded circular saw setup with the saw blade attached. It comes with this tool so you can get the bolt off. This button on your saw is a lock that holds your saw in place so you can turn the bolt to loosen it. However, mine didn't hold it in place well enough, so I'm just using pliers instead. Either way, remove the bolt, washer, and this underlying part as well. Now put your blade in such that the side with the text faces outward toward the bolt. Having it face the right way makes it so it can actually cut stuff, so be sure to make sure the text is facing out. Just pull this plastic piece to get the safety cover out of the way. Then you just put everything back in reverse order. First this piece, then the washer, then the bolt, then you tighten it. Again, if your locking button actually cooperates, you can use it instead of pliers to hold everything in place while you screw everything back in. And that's it. You're good to go. Time to saw some stuff. Have a good one.